Explore Kapatisi TV.
This love has no ceiling, I cannot deny.
Needed somebody to lean on.
Kabul, ka machine ka balas snacker pang ka ba kamskem, kamstet, kamklan, bat maduna bam umpia.
DC meeting down. DC meeting down. IEC meeting down. Come join. March implement ka to austerity measures sir, but people do not iki funding iki departments.
Ni kung ka university na
Kung ka university under higher institution sir. Kani jong pide sir. Te fikir ong sir kani ki isi ban perlong ha del hero mana bal ya sir ye kani ka jinglo. Am sir am na ka join university ong sir. Denam sir kata.
Ito lang ang jawab.
Jom ira ki jingli binglo.
Tapos ang jawab. Ya pailat lalu fikiran jawab. Minsan ipay kay bale. No issue. Ano fi? Kini bentuk kipat ba. Ni yo life san pulai crore pidi man skap kata nomor dalam film ko ban skap film ko tip ke sisa last year of financial year 24-25 ni yo san pulai crore kapisa ban penyak ya recurring grant jong ke university kata kamut ban siu ki ya kitulap jong ki casual workers ni dan usia jangut ban penyak ke university ya everything like ka salary but pension how ne usnam bamenta ni nakasan pulai crore la khati yang isi ka life way crore kung ka university ngimdan sinayaro ka pisa manta nisuya ya every month to month ngimtip kumnong inpinya naman nakatagadaw ng haple ka austerity measures tang sulong privacy ngalalit sa Delhi bang lakho kanu siniki bahakan ni ka revise estimate pakin lang December semua mapan kentiyo ya ka grant ka jungin markham ka grant nginomla tang ka baylay ngisiw nriw crore si Islam tang ka baylay kapay petrol kani ka tay barokhat ngipinya ka grant ka ministry Menta ka internal resources ka fees ka papisio is one of the lowest in this country. Ni permitang 8% na total expenditure. Menta kini ki ministry ngalit malakapot ngalit back pisah ki namta kani ka university. Fimut kina ay direction ng tinga ngalan penhe ka sedam ngono ngam tre bangan. Nabalay this is a central university funded by them. So nga OMP season I ki ka directive nga tho ka email you register. Nga as directed by the official of the MOE dan nga ay copy ka MOE ru pan mo nga ay copy tan register ka jo ka copy nga asu MOE wa undersecretary bu director mantap yung pila on pini ben he sadam ni sarau ni nga nomor balai ya phi ka fight ka dei tang spang sukla ya nga ka fight ka dei ban penya ja kene ko university ka bom dan pisaso ka bom dan ni ngidan hadu sia jangut kini ki casual workers lasai minta phi pene e kana ka ministry larang ngim dan pisangnya ya monot sik salary jong kini sia jangut phi like visa you'll be here for 1-2 years you'll be going away who will look after them kini kido action am janga so naktada ngau phi when we deal with the ministry baling athoi phi to appeal when you deal with the ministry you can fight with chukla no problem in fight with chukla but if you fight the ministry come out kinu ke badan ka responsibility kata ini ke funding agency of us we don't even have we spend listen out of 53 crore we got only 31 crore this time we don't have money to send you for your trip and all that. You can put on resign. It is very easy to resign.
Sir.
Come here.
You come to
the press.
Pila on.
No,
No, sir.
wait.
Pila kan ngir ngin keren.
You want to go?
Sir, ngir ngin keren. Pila kan ngir ngin keren. Ngingira sengap pipi
I will resign now. I will resign now. Listen.
Pet kumne.
I will resign now. Listen. No, I have done enough.
Sir, stop. Pila ye churu ba pakai university ka don shortage ma.
yes.
To kawai ka jingkili. Yakini ki isi member ban pasha devi. Mana ban tu pisa.
So, yakini ki isi.
Mana ban tu pisa.
These members going to EC will be born by the university. Okay, now wait.
Next question. Hato kay Nehu ka la nem ban hole kay isi hapo Nehu.
Yes, it can.
Sir, yang people tu kata ka oster manager, kata ka department kata.
Yes.
Tang bayar ka banlaban na hapo Nehu beli ban ka ban pasha den hita ngingim sutu ya kata.
I understand your
Ngingim sutu ya kata.
I understand your emotions.
PE nakaliang VC through PVC ula pha yangi ka nihusu bat kinong ilam baro ba uni professor Shukla ukwa bandan ka meeting bat ngi kumbapitip ba kani ka body bat mai jong ka nihusu takadaw usngo bat ba ula ban control ngi ki students handre nakaliang jongi harket hardam nginum kwa shu ban communicate bat uni Shukla tat hadu ba ulami nak university klaim da pai sedien bat klaim da pet hi kena ki ba syatkan han reus ngi klaim da pat ingi belengin kwa ban communicate bat ne VC
This love has no ceiling. I cannot deny.